Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. If you don't know what Holidays with the Housewife is, no worries. It's my annual Christmas card making event, 12 full days of card making fun. Today I have a really fun slimline card for you. This is my Christmas Tiles Slimline Card. Isn't that super cute? These embellishments here in the middle just get layered together very easily. And then there's a spot, of course, for your message on the inside. And it comes with an included envelope. I also include a little bit more of a basic version that doesn't have really a lot of the intricate cuts that this version does. So you can choose which one you would prefer. Both of them are located within the download. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewifecom. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. Once you've typed in the password, you're brought to all the free files. At the time of recording this video, I do not have any of the Holidays with the Housewife card files in my file library, but there is a graphic that is popping up right now that tells you the design number for this particular card. Go ahead and click that hyperlink, download the file onto your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the file's been brought into Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. There are a few things that we need to convert, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score line, come up to the Operation menu, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. Now we just need to do that for the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. Once those two pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make It. I'm going to be using the mat for this project. And you'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, now that everything's been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we need to do is go ahead and layer our different tiles together. I have included a layering guide within the download to help you visualize that. So I'm going to go ahead and layer all these together, and I'll show you what they look like afterward. Alright, so we have our different tiles all done. This is the cute little snowman, the little wreath, and then the candy cane. And now we can just set those to the side for a minute. Let's go ahead and mat and layer our front cover panel and our messaging panel. Take our card base and fold and burnish along the score line. Let's go ahead and add our messaging panel to the inside of the card. And now the front cover panel can go on. And now we can just place our little tiles right along that pretty pattern paper. And there is our Christmas Tiles Slimline Card. I'm going to set that to the side, get my tray out of the way, and go ahead and make the envelope really quick. For the envelope, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines. Add your glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, and you want to add glue to the bottom here of the side flaps. And then with your thumbs, go ahead and bring up the envelope and press that flap into place, and there is your slimline envelope. How adorable is this card? I love the little tiles on this card. It's super, super cute. Like I said earlier, I do include in the download a little bit of a simpler version. The simpler version does not include the little cutouts here as the border, so that will prevent any kind of problems with intricate cuts. You can certainly choose which version you prefer. If you make this card, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making friends who would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye.